Google Ads are getting more and more expensive every year. In this article, they state that Google search CPC is up 13% year over year and the ad spend growth is slowing down, meaning because cost per clicks are up 30%, less people are actually willing to spend on Google Ads, hence ad spend overall is down. Even though this might sound discouraging, in today's video I want to show you how you can still run hyper profitable Google Ads in 2024, and no matter what other people tell you, it's still very much possible. With that being said, you need to place your bets wisely in order to get the most out of your dollars spent on ads. And in today's video, I will go over the best ways for you to start running Google Ads on a low or limited budget. Stay until the end to hear all of my best recommendations. I'm Marco, by the way. I've spent millions on paid ads and generated millions in return for my e-com and lead gen clients. I started in 2017 on Upwork as a freelancer, and now I run a boutique agency called supergrow.io, and we specialize in helping brands increase their paid ads profitability. And in today's video, I will share some insights on how you can still run Google Ads on a tight budget in 2024. And before we jump into the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video to get notifications when I publish my new tutorial. Without further ado, let's jump in. Rule number 1. Start with your best sellers. So if you're selling a product or a service, you wanna go with your lowest hanging fruit and sell the main thing that's already driving you most of the revenue, because with that you consolidate data on what's working in the beginning, and then once you scale up, get more profitable when you sell more products or service, then you expand into other products and services. So to recap, I recommend you focusing just on one product or one service in the beginning. Number 2, stay away from Performance Max. Performance Max is suitable for larger budgets or if you have plenty of data from before. So if you're not getting at least 30 conversions per month consistently from other campaign types, I would strongly suggest you stay away from Performance Max. Regardless what your Google rep tells you, you should not start with the Performance Max. I have a full tutorial on how to run a PMax campaign. I'm gonna link it somewhere on the screen and also in the description of the video, and make sure to watch that video as well. It's very, very insightful. Number 3, use your keyword planner tool. With the keyword planner tool, you can get an estimate of how much it would cost you for a keyword to appear on the top of page bid, what's the low range and what's the high range. It also tells you what is the volume and approximately how much you're gonna pay for a click. So use the keyword planner tool. It's free. You can access it here under tools. You go into keyword planner and then you start with a search theme and then you go from there. Number 4, you don't need to have a lot of keywords in each ad group. Focus on those that are most profitable and are getting you the lowest CPCs or cost per clicks. You don't have to use 30 keywords and try to make all of them work. Find 2 to 3 that are converting well for you consistently and build up from there slowly, gradually, without spreading yourself too thin. Number 5, focus on one of these 2 campaigns, search or standard shopping. What I like about these 2 is the fact that you can target high intent traffic that is consistently looking for a solution to the problem that you're solving. So Google search and Google shopping. And for search, I have a very good long tutorial that I recorded, and I'm gonna put the link to that tutorial somewhere on the screen and also in the description. Make sure to check it out. So start with search or shopping. Number 6, Target specific locations where you know you're getting the most amount of customers from. If you're an e-com brand, you can check, let's say in Shopify, where the states or zips where most of your customers are coming from are and target those. If you're a service provider, you can narrow down to the location where you provide your services at. You can go very narrow with targeting here. As an example, let's say we just want to target Crenshaw, California. You can type Crenshaw here and go very narrow with your targeting, and always make sure to select people in or regularly in your included locations and not just interests. Number 7, this one is pretty obvious, but select keywords that have a low CPC when doing your keyword research. Number 8, pin essential information on the top positions of your headlines in order to filter clicks. So let's say you're selling a product that starts at $200, tell them in the headline that your product starts at $200. That can result in fewer clicks. However, you will get a higher conversion rate on the other hand because you're filtering out people before they're even clicking on an ad. What I always like to do as a test is have one ad that pre-qualifies aggressively and another ad that doesn't qualify at all. And then I compare the click-through rate and the conversion rate between the two. Last but not least, number 9, long tail keywords. So with long tail keywords, you get less volume, but you get traffic that's more specific with your search, meaning they are more educated about what they want and they tend to have a higher conversion rate. So again, lower volume, but higher conversion rate on these. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section below and I will make sure to answer them promptly. Have a good one.